They also did a fire dance at the end, so this guy literally walked on fire multiple times. It was crazy. Good morning. We got in from the airport quite late last night, but we've just woken up and we've come out onto our little patio area. We've gone and spoken to the host of this beautiful homestay. So I ordered a banana pancake, which looks absolutely delicious. It has honey on top. I'm very excited for that.
I went a bit more basic. Scrambled eggs on toast. We also got a serving of fruit each.
Today's plan is to go and explore Ubud.
Yep, first step we need to go hire a scooter. Alright, we've got our scooter here and it was really awesome. We didn't have exact change and they didn't have any change to give us, so they just let us hire it anyway and we're going to come back with the money later. They're really easygoing here. It only costs 70,000 rupiah, which is for Australians around $7 for the whole day. And the first stop is going to be Leke Leke Waterfall, so let's go. Alright, so about an hour later we have arrived at Leke Leke Waterfall.
Yeah, it was such a beautiful drive. If you know how to drive a scooter, we 100% recommend hiring one, even if it's just for a day to go and explore, because half of the adventure is the drive. You get to see so many locals doing their daily activities.
Not to mention it's much faster and easier to get around than taxis or anything else.
Yeah, because the cars kept getting stuck in traffic, but we were able to zip around, which was really good. Let's go see the waterfall. The lady said it is about a 15-minute walk all the way to the bottom to see the waterfall. So we've started our trek down. Lots and lots of steps. Reminding me of Athens a little bit. If you know, you know. I'm so excited to see it. And this place is just so pretty. I can't get over it. I'm so happy that we're here. I'm just so happy to see some sunshine and some warmth, because we missed out on Australian summer because we were in Europe and it was freezing and snowing. So it's nice to get some sun on the skin finally.
Water break. It's very loud.
It looks amazing.
Let's go for a swim. Woo! That was pretty cool.
That was awesome. I took a bit of a tumble.
Yes, on our way out, she missed the rock. Wish I got it on camera.
Okay, we decided to start heading back into Ubud to find some lunch and just reset. And then we were driving and we decided to just pull over because we found this street.
It has like 4 or 5 different, even more, cafes and restaurants along here. It's really nice.
Yeah, we're gonna walk along and try and pick one.
Yep.
Let's go.
Where are we off to?
We're getting a massage.
Yeah, so change of plans. By now, you may know that Jenna and I love getting massages, and Bali is one of the cheapest places to get a massage. So we went to go book it in. Unfortunately, they didn't have space for us tomorrow, only this afternoon. So we switched things around a bit. We're going to get a massage quickly now, you know, take it a bit easier this afternoon, and then go see the rice terraces tomorrow morning.
How are we feeling now?
Feeling good.
Feeling relaxed. I had a foot and leg massage, so I had like that nice tilt back chair. I'm pretty sure I fell asleep for some of it because I was so tired.
One of the best massages I've ever had.
You had full body.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice. Definitely recommend that place. We'll link it down below.
We have decided to just go for a walk around Ubud for a bit. There's a lot of markets open that we're having a look around. I picked up some sunnies.
get the wind out of his eyes when we're riding on the bike. The wind is like straight in his eyes, and I prefer him to be able to see where he's going.
Yep, so they're important, necessary purchase.
We then went and watched a traditional dance, and it was absolutely beautiful. Their costumes were so detailed, and there were so many people there to watch, which was really cool. This morning. They also did a fire dance at the end, so this guy literally walked on fire multiple times. It was crazy. It was really cool to watch, and it was nice to see a bit more of a traditional experience. It's on every Monday and Friday night at 7:30 p.m, so definitely recommend going and checking that out. Tickets are 100,000, which is roughly 10 Australian dollars.
We also call it landscape.
Drive a scooter, like we're gonna get run over by one right now.
Wait, Jenna, do you have the key?
No.
That's alright.